In this video, I'm going to briefly show you an example on how to create a tree map in R. What is a tree map or tree mapping? Tree mapping is a method for displaying hierarchical data using nested figures, usually rectangles. I have chosen a data set which is built in RStudio. It's a gross national income from 2014. Also, to create a tree map, I have to download ggplot2, TreeMapify, TreeMap, and dplyr libraries. So let's run that. Next, I'm going to run the data set, and then I wanted to see the first few columns or rows. This is what it looks like. Next, I am going to filter the data set with the continent Asia. So basically it's going to show only the countries that falls under Asia. Then I'm going to run it. As you can see that it shows the countries that falls under Asia. Next is we're gonna create a tree map using a geom TreeMap function. In this code, I have used the Asia table or the data set where area is the gross national income, fill is population, and label is country. So let's run this command and we'll see a tree map, what it looks like. And here's an example of the tree map which shows all the countries that falls under Asia, and here's the population, and China has one of the highest population, and this probably must be India. So this is an example of tree map, and here I have basically taken the whole data set without even using filter. So it should show all the countries in the world. So let's run this data set and we want to see what it looks like. It's taking a little while. Finally, so here's the data. Here's our tree map for all the countries that are in the data set, and this is broken down by different continents. The picture is not that clear because I've changed the height and width so that when I run in my PowerPoint or my R presentation, the picture becomes much more clear. On the next line of code, I have used facets. So basically what facet does is it breaks down each continent, and I'll show you what it looks like. It's the same exact code here, but the only thing is the facet wrap function that I've added here, and it should divide the continent. It should divide the countries by the continent. So let's run this command. So here is the result for that code. So it basically, as you can see, it divides all the countries by the continent. There are 7 continents here. So that's the result of this code. And I have done the exact I have done a tree map which I have taken a picture of it. I'm gonna run this command to show you, and then it should display on the side. So yeah, so this is a tree map that I have done, in Tableau. In my next video I will show you how to create a tree map in Tableau.